everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to find transaction ID on Cashapp. So first of all, just open your Cashapp and here just click on the activity icon at the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. So here on this page, you will have all the activities listed here, all the transaction that you have, all the payment you receive, you have all the withdrawal that you have made, everything. So on this activity page, you will see two kinds of transactions. First are the transaction which have been distinct as deposit, and the others are as withdrawal. So in order to find your transaction ID, you have to find a transaction which says a withdrawal on it. These are those transactions that you have done to some other Cashapp user which says withdrawal, and once you click on that particular withdrawal transaction, on the next page you can see the amount you have sent to the other person. And here on this page, just click on the web receipt, and here on the next page you can see that the transaction is completed and the amount has been sent to the other person. And here just scroll down a bit and click on the view on Block Explorer, and there you will be redirected to this page where you can see your transaction ID, and below that transaction word you can see that there are so many numbers and alphabets are written in basically no order. That is your transaction ID. So this is how you find your transaction ID. If you want to send this transaction ID to somebody else, just copy paste this transaction ID and send it to the person you want to send and receive money from. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.